Druggy told me he been on some positive shit. Yeah. Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit. Yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too far times.
Hello. Audio sounds good. Check mic 1 2.
All my life they be trying to keep me down. All this time never thought I'd make it out. No. All my life they be trying to keep me down. I decided I had to finish, but the media called me a menace. I just sat with the men politicians. I'm trying to change the image. You can't blame my past no more. I come from the trenches. Some said I'd never be a superstar, but I know I'm different. I'm the voice, but the system ain't give me a choice. Know some people that still unemployed. I know a felon who trying to get forward. Child support, your only support. For a visit, I'm going through courts. Went to jail, they was chaining me up. And you know that I'm famous as fuck. See how you gon' joke about stimulus, but they really had came in the clutch. I know some kids wanna hurt themselves. Stop trying to take drugs, I prefer to myself. Trying to better myself, trying to better my health. But all my life they be trying to keep me down. All this time never thought I'd make it out.
Alright, my bad. I'm posting on Instagram to get everybody in the on the live.
They be trying to keep me down. First generation ghetto nigga. Cold world, hello niggas. Made it out the city with my head on straight. Niggas keep shooting up the let out.
Thank you, Anna.
Gotta get out. The shit that I spit out is a cheat code, like I'm facing a Rico. And how a nigga put a hit out, and another one, and another one. I got like 100 of them by the lap niggas, so they think they ahead of me, but I'm really in front of them now. Some of them fumbling they bad, fucking up the little crumbs that they had. A reminder to humble yourself. This shit could be gone in an instant. Me, I'm running long distance, all pistons firing. I've been stuck between maybe retiring and feeling like I'm just not hitting my prime. These days, seeing rappers be dying way before they even getting they shine. I never even heard a little buddy till somebody murder little buddy. Now I'm on the phone searching little buddy name. Got to playing his tunes all day in my room. Thinking, damn, this shit wicked to get their names buzzing. Some niggas just gotta go lay in a tomb. And media thirsty for clicks. I got a new rule. If you ain't ever posted a rapper when he was alive, you can't post about him after he get hit. It's simple. It's the principle. On any tempo, I'm invincible. Don't even rap, I just vent to you. I'd rather that than an interview most days. Fuck them all like I'm going through a whole phase. Young niggas shoot out the whip like road rage. I pray all of my dogs stay so paid. And the only thing to kill them is old age. All my life they be trying to keep me down. All this time never thought I'd make it out. No. All my life they be trying to keep me down.
What it do, no cap? My bad, chat. I'm sending to everybody the link and shit so we get everybody in here and get everything started. Up to the moment, we have not missed out on much. Obviously, we had a bunch of GJ sells, and right now it looks like everybody's going bullish with their mothers. I'm actually a little bit skeptical about this long move, but we'll get into that soon. Gold just barely had a big retracement. I didn't even see that. That was this 15-minute candlestick closure. Oh, wait. I did see that. And right now it looks like we're getting a wick fill to the bottom. Potentially could still go and break these highs. I mean, longs are not out the doors, but this does look like it's going to wick fill short term. If you guys want, you guys could share what trades you guys are in on the Discord. I'll put them up on screen. Let me finish sending out the link. And we will get everything started. Try to hop into a trade. I don't know. Let's vibe it out and see what we can get.
So what is you on? And I sit here and get in my zone. And don't say you feel my pain, cause you don't. I ran out of laws, somehow I can feel it. I can keep up with the money I'm spending. I still bought it than what I was selling. I got secrets to myself, I can't tell it. Cause I got people that give me wrong direction. Just watch how he move my look like hold 11. And I did my dirt in my past, I regret all them nights I remember. I still ain't forget it, forever remember. Heart of a line, but one
almost done.
Same only common is generous, cause I'm moving different. I realize the difference. Niggas hate me, I can feel all the tension. You ain't legit, I can tell how you living. I just keep my distance, they might try to kill me. And I smoke a wood, only thing that can heal it. I'm yelling out, I don't think you can hear me. So I'ma just keep sending shots till you feel me. Can't wait till I see how I feel in the building. I know I'm my work, but they sound worthy.
Caesar.
Think about times I was in it. I gotta keep going, gonna start to
One of the people that I wanted in here.
for sure. I ain't missing. I'm speaking the truth and I'm hoping you listen.
Get everybody we can.
Ain't no use to your love, ain't no money in it. See, I come from the trenches, no hope in winning. If you show them love, they gon' go against you. I've been put up so long, let me live a little. I say I'm on top, they say in the middle. I can show you the world, but you flagging with me. I be ready to kill, I be feeling tempted. Like all these questions.
All right, we're ready. We are
and
ready to go.
and I got dreams starting on y'all, so
All right, good morning, everybody. Important Monday due to the fact that it is still a part of this monthly candlestick that we are looking at, right? It is the 31st, it is Monday, nonetheless, it is not a new monthly candlestick, so, I mean, I'd expect there to be good action here. Realistically, I'd expect there to be continuation of what the monthly candlestick is already giving to us. When we look at the weekly, on GU, I mean, we have a very strong bullish week, continuation. So our question is to ask ourselves, where is this weekly candlestick going to end up on? This is GU, of course. And then from there, we zoom into daily. It was bullish, continuation, small retracement, but still a continuation. And then from here, we have to start, saying, all right, is this actually going to be a long or is it going short? I believe that this is actually going short, in my opinion. It's like a higher time frames, head and shoulders. You guys can see it on some different time frames, but also, I mean, the only thing getting buyers in it is probably this upside down head and shoulders. But if it does, I mean, I feel like this is just going to be a big move to the downside. So up to the moment, I'm bullish on the dollar, right? I feel like DXY is going to pump during this New York session opening. Let's go look at the DXY. DXY could be in a better position. I mean, 30-minute is finally looking. This is a 30-minute candlestick chart. It looks like it's finally trying to gain some strength. So across the board, I like that analysis with those GU cells. Those GU cells didn't look bad at all. Now, let's go look at GJ real quick. GJ, a lot of bearish momentum, right? The only people that are hopped into buys are the ones that feel like they've missed out on sells. I think that sells are still an opportunity here. I'm actually currently in a sell on my 200K live account. I'll pull that up really soon. And every challenge that I'm passing and every instant live account, I have not hopped into this trade just because I feel like it's a little bit too high risk without any large confirmations. Now, the only things that I feel assertive about is that this low, that little low that I just marked out right there, I'll mark it again. This low right here, I feel like it's going to get broken, right? That doesn't go to say that it's going to go happen right away, right? This could still go a little bit more bullish and then hit support levels and then start falling. But up to the moment, I am, I'm already scoping this play out right here. I'm not sure how we're going to be able to get that entry, but we have 2 minutes till US30 open. All right, so let's go to US30. US30, pretty obvious one. I mean, only the rookies really expected this one to just zap up at open. Right now, we're about to get a US30 open, and we clearly see that this 30-minute candlestick, right before it closes, remember I told you guys that candlesticks start showing their true colors before they close, right? Like they start showing their true direction. This candlestick was hanging out pretty bullishly, and now we're a minute away from 9:30 open. And this thing's obliterating to the downside. Let's watch this US30 open before we keep on analyzing the chart, because this might do something entertaining. Boys, if you guys have not liked up the stream yet, make sure you guys like the stream. It helps the channel grow immensely. So I'd truly appreciate for every single person that's in here early to like up the stream. And let's get the show on the road, boys. Let's try to get a win. What it do, real right? I didn't even notice. Real right, have you done any streams? Did you stream? What do you typically stream? London, New York? All right, there it is. My alarm went off. 9:30. Welcome to New York session, boys. Officially the stock exchange session. What is gonna happen here? Damn, should we snipe sells? Should we snipe sells, chat? A little sniper action. NASDAQ. Oh boy, both these things look bearish. Anybody currently in any NASDAQ trades? Is anybody currently in any NASDAQ trades? They both about to melt. Trying to get the yawns out of me early, boys. All right, let's go look at gold. Oh shit, gold did do its little push downwards. It did the wick fill. Yeah, that was the wick fill that we were expecting off the next 30-minute candlestick. That's why I love trading, you know, candlestick closures. Notice how this candlestick, obviously very bearish, left a huge wick. Left a huge wick right before the next candlestick was going to open. That's when easily anybody could anticipate that the next candlestick opening is going to be a big dump. Anybody, I mean, well, anybody that watches these streams and consistently knows that this is just a wick fill with a lot of momentum. All right, GJ's getting some retracements as well. Doesn't really mean anything. GJ's in between two SMAs that really could make it bounce anywhere. I could easily see this go bullish. I could easily see it go bearish. That's why I've actually not hopped in it in any important accounts really. You're holding GBP CAD from last night. Oh wow, gold. Gold getting ready to go. US30 showed a little bit of bullish action there. NASDAQ, not really. NASDAQ is just going to keep on going, I think. Oh my god. Or this is now where we snipe it. Who's it? One's in the chat if you guys like buying the NASDAQ right now. Does anybody think that buying the NASDAQ right now is a good idea? Maybe like a sniper buy, big stop loss? Chat? Anybody in the chat think that's a good idea? What it do, Barca? I just noticed that Barca's in this. Today I'm feeling electric. I feel like the next trade, I feel like we're gonna be able to catch a trade super easily. Like straight to take profit. No cap. Me too. I'm feeling it today. Charts look pretty easy right now. Just need the right opportunity to hop in my face. Look at the NASDAQ go, boys. Oh my god. I wish I was in a NASDAQ sell. I would have been. Oh my god, it's still going. Well, GJ's going downwards. I need to open up my live account. Now we're up $500. Well, I'm up $6,000 on this live account. $500 currently in this trade. I need to break out the GJ. What it do, Slickest? Que lo que, baby? Typically, I wouldn't be trading this account so aggressively. Nonetheless, I was up $6,000, and the other 50% owner of this account, he told me to just keep on pushing it. He said, don't let off the pedal. Pedal to the metal. So, fuck it. We're here still trading this account. We got a little bit more to push. We got a little bit more to go. Obviously, I'm not going to get distracted with that GJ trade, because if I start seeing that GJ looks bullish, we're going to hop into buys, obviously on ABC accounts, which are the ones that we are currently waiting to pass, and currently ones that we just recently got funded, like the instant live accounts. So if you guys are watching and you guys are currently waiting for your account to take a trade, it will be the next trade that we take. We just got on stream trying to figure out what we're trying to do. This is going to be the first trade of the week, basically. So when it comes down to GJ, I mean, this does look like a good entry for longs. Not gonna lie, it would look like a better entry for longs if there wasn't so much bearish momentum present. And then what also throws me off is that we're getting huge NASDAQ sells, huge US30 sells. Yeah, it could start bouncing now. But regardless, the selling of the US30, you guys already know what happens. That means, might happen recession talk, right? Recession talk means that JPY, the yen, should get stronger. Why? Because it's a safe haven currency. That's exactly why we've gotten this huge push to the downside. It's the same reason that we got the downside push on the NASDAQ. It's because it's the, as the NASDAQ goes down, people start panicking and people start transferring the money into safer currencies. And what's one of the safest currencies? The yen. Why? Because it's the most stable, right? People are always trying to fight inflation, right? You're trying to fight inflation with your money. Well, they are trying to fight inflation with their money. We way too broke to be trying to fight inflation with our money. We trying to fight the government with our money. All right, one's in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ. Two's in the chat if you guys are bearish on GJ. I need some participation. Let's see what you guys majority think. I honestly don't know up to the moment. That's why I don't even know about gold. What I do know is that I like the way the market is moving. You're bullish on GJ? All right. And it's going. Fuck. Yeah, it might be a good buy. Even a buy at this level, at this resistance level, is a good buy. Sell GJ. I'm already currently in a sell. I'm down. I was up. Now I'm down. I haven't decided to close yet, so. All right, NASDAQ doing a big wick. I mean, the guy that caught the snipe down here, he's just fucking Hail Marying this thing, and he's happy as balls. It's not a bad trade. I love that there's a support level right here. Right? We have a range going on. Shit, can't draw. We have a range. We have a liquidity grab. I'm over boss and I gotta be cautious cause niggas don't keep it 100. It ain't my fault that I had to fall out with you niggas, but fuck it. Ain't having time to be tongue. Rushing when niggas come see me in public. You can't be trusted, you gotta watch out for you people. Cause shit it get ugly and you could be lucky if you could look out for your people. When he ain't had nothing and try to make something, we looking through hate for a needle. When you ever fall down in your back, hit the ground, better pray to the God you don't need them. Yeah. If you don't go with me, don't do what I do. Think you the one, but he really the two. Better get low when I hit at your crew. I'm sitting the cleaners through. I'm barely not sober, they thinking it's over. You niggas ain't seen my move. They set me down like I went out of space, now I gotta go back to the moon. Alright. My bad, distraction. Family distraction. Liquidity grab. We have a liquidity grab right now on NASDAQ. So I like the way this came down aggressively and fast and now it's rejecting. It gives me vibes that this could be the bottom of the NASDAQ market and now we're going to get ready to start creating some crazy highs. I really want to take long on NASDAQ with you guys. It just can't be an instant loss. Maybe it won't be an instant loss. Reincarnated, I was stargazing. Life goes on, honey, my babies. Honestly, I like something like this. I honestly do not mind something like this. Not even close to the bottom, says Benchy. The thing is, we have a gap right there. We're already way beneath this support level. Typically, price decides to bounce a lot. You don't get too much continuations. I wouldn't be surprised if this candlestick runs it all the way up right now. Yeah, we'll be. Oh shit! Look, US30 decided to do that bounce. All right, the dollar is gaining strength clearly because look at when we go to USD CAD. Right, and then let's go to the DXY and we see, yeah, dollar is gaining strength, which means GU is going down. That was obvious. GJ not really going down or up. Well, going up. I feel like we're gonna have to trade US30 right now. I like the US30, the way that US30 looks for Nasdaq. I don't mind taking a Nasdaq buy. Hopefully this comes down a little bit more. We're currently not in a trade yet, chat. Currently not in a trade. So nobody just impulsively hop into what you guys think I'm in. Wait for me to call it out clearly. Yeah, I mean, it really depends on how this. We have 5 minutes left, right? This is a 15-minute candlestick. 5 minutes left for it to close. That's what's really going to determine if I hop in it or not. This is going to go down right now. So I'm happy that we didn't hop in it because it does look like it's going to go down. DXY is gaining strength right now. Interesting enough. Ooh, US30 is getting ready to hit the... Ooh. Damn, boys, is anybody currently in any US30 sells or Nasdaq sells? Have anybody that's been selling? I mean, everybody's been bearish on it the whole London session. The only reason I'm bullish on it, I'm not really bullish on it, but the only reason I like this buy is due to the fact that it came down aggressively. Let me use the restroom real quick. Fuck a caption, won't action, no accident. I'm hands on. He fuck around, get polished. Fuck no Wayne grow, he was in jail. That's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad D Rose came home. Y'all didn't deserve him neither. From Alondra down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch. I lean on you niggas like another line of walk. Yeah, it's all eyes on me, and I'ma send it up the pot. Ay, put the roll label on me, I'ma get them dropped. Ay, sweet chin music, and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Ay, devil is a lie. Here's 69 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay, roll their ass up like a fresh pack of Zod. Ay, city is back up, it's a must, we outside. Ay. They not like us. 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 Once upon a time, all of us was in chains. Homie still double down, calling us some slaves. Atlanta was the mecca, building railroads and trains. Bear with me for a second, let me put y'all on game. The settlers was using town folk to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same agenda. You run to Atlanta when you need a check balance. Let me break it down for you, this the real nigga challenge. You caught future when you didn't see the club. Like, what? Little baby help you get your lingo up. What? 21 get your first street cred. Thug make you feel like you a slime in your head. Like, what? Quavo said you can be from North Side. What? 2 Chainz say you good, but he lied. You run to Atlanta when you need a few dollars. No, you not a colleague, you a fucking colonizer. The family matter and the truth of the matter. Here was God's plan to show y'all the liar. He a fan, he a fan, he a fan. He a fan, he a fan, he a freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Let me hear you say OV ho. Say OV ho. Then step this way, step that way. Then step this way, step that way. Are you my friend? Are we locked in? Then step this way, step that way. Then step this way, step that way. Holy, that thing is still going. I hear my phone. All right. Man, I am... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Gold's going down. I was going to say, man, I'm so upset that I didn't catch from, like, at least 3,050 to 3,100 on gold. I mean, gold is just so goddamn obvious. Jesus Christ. Obviously, it's not fucking easy to trade. Just obvious that we're going to fucking explode past 3,000. GU seems to be the one thing that's holding its ground. Like, could this end up going bullish? I still don't fucking have the right answers. Yeah, I stick to my word. I think that we're gonna trade Nasdaq. The last trade that we took was a US30 trade. It was a US30 sell, actually. Probably one of these monstrous sells that we see here. First of all, I'm glad that we didn't hop into the fucking impulsive buy. Nonetheless, there's opportunity for us. Opportunity for us. Oof. Sheesh. It was Xander that I saw earlier in the Discord saying, he was like, man, I think that there's going to be a recession melt today. Look at that. I'm up 600 bucks on my live account. GJ sells seem to be playing out. Obviously, I hopped into this a while ago. Oh, it's turning around now. Anybody currently in any trades that they want to share? If anybody currently want me to break down any charts that they're currently looking at, share any ideas, and I'll tell you, we bounce back and forth. You know what we could do? Type 1 in the chat if you want me to go onto the Discord, onto the Discord voice call, and for those who want to talk and share their ideas, they could do that with me on Discord for the whole stream to hear. Type shit. This thing is finished over. Gold is confusing you. Yeah, I mean, it's extremely bullish right now. It's extremely bullish right now, and at the end of the day, right, like, I didn't take any buys up here just due to the fact that I feel like there's a retracement due. Did I anticipate it? Not really. You just know that there has to be a retracement at one point. Can't just keep on rallying. And so sometimes it's just better to stay away knowing that you're bullish and then just hoping for the retracement to come, right? And so the retracement finally came, and this is where, regardless, it's still a little confusing because you're like, all right, is this all going to just maintain the same momentum? And at the end of the day, I think the best thing we could do is try finding our levels of support that are probably going to be respected the most. 4-hour candlestick, there's an 8 SMA beneath us, right? Do I expect this candlestick to break the 8 SMA? I do. But I don't think it's going to close much. Like, if it does close beneath it, it's not going to close far beneath it. And it might reject it right off the rip. So this is like the level that I'm kind of looking at. These levels right here for gold buys, right? Another level, I'd go to the hourly candlestick. And now I start asking myself, all right, where's the 50 SMA? Is there a chance that we close this candlestick and then out of nowhere next candlestick opens and we just melt all the way to this 50 SMA? Yes, that's possible. It doesn't seem likely possible. But at the end of the day, we are getting a DXY pump right now, right? We go and look at the DXY real quick and we see that, hey, the dollar is gaining strength. That has perfect influence with gold falling. Also has perfect influence with... that's the wrong chart. Where's GU? With GU falling as well. Dollar's getting strength. UJ's going up aggressively. UCAD and UJ. Damn, UCAD looked like a great ass pair to trade last session. I don't even know who trades that shit though. And GJ, on the other hand, I'm losing my bearish perspective on it. Slowly but surely, you're losing my bearish perspective. Obviously, it's easy to say that after this fucking huge 5-minute candlestick, but it more comes down to the way that these candlesticks are looking like continuation candlesticks, right? This one, I would have said, hey, fuck it. It kept me in the trade because it's not a continuation candlestick. Kind of looks like a fucking hammer. I don't know what you want to consider that candlestick, but now we are going back bullish again. So, I mean, I'm not going to impulsively close my trade. There's no need to do that. I was up 600 bucks, now currently down 300. It's just the way it goes. We have not called out a trade yet. We are not on a win streak. We are on a good win record for the month. It would be the last trade of the month, so let's try to finish it off strong. Truthfully, I feel like we're going to get to take profit the quickest and the simplest using NASDAQ and US30. Now, question is, the golden question is, when do we take this fucking... We're going for a bounce. I'm going for a bounce. I'm going for a bullish move. I'm going to go for a bounce, right? Price is falling aggressively. I want it to keep on falling aggressively, and then I'm going to fucking snipe the shit out of it. Now, do I think that snipe is right now? I do not think that snipe is right now. I think there's a little bit more bearish momentum left in this. So hopefully we're right and we don't miss out on anything. This isn't a real trade, boys. Not a real trade. Do not just start executing out of nowhere. Do not just start executing out of nowhere. We are just spectating so far. We have 10 minutes till a 1 hour candlestick closure. Another golden question that we need to start asking ourselves is, where is this 4 hour candlestick and when is it going to close? 4 hour candlestick also closes in 8 minutes. This is a perfect opportunity for us to get ready to catch a bounce. Maybe a continuation of sells, but new 4 hour candlestick is about to come. We're closing bearish for sure, right? We don't need to ask ourselves much more about that. We're closing bearish. And if we don't close bearish, we're going to probably leave a big ass wick, and that big ass wick, I'm going to wick fill it to the downside. So if we don't fucking, you know, I got a plan. If we don't close bearish right now, I got a plan. Oh my God, we might leave a wick. Oh my God, we might leave a wick. We might leave a wick. One to the chat if you guys would like to take a sell on US30. It being a wick fill sell, you know, as in like candlestick closes, we go for the sell right when it closes, and it starts wick filling. Ones in the chat for me. I think that's the golden setup right now. Like I said last time, I don't take a lot of US30 trades, but when I do, definitely pop off on them. Woof! US30 bounced already. Damn, boy, I should take this sell. Damn, I really should take this sell. Oh my God, I am down on my GJ trade. I gotta close this trade out. Do I leave it? I don't fucking know. Some fucking Potter boys. I'm gonna go rip a stoke and watch some Potter on some fucking TV, boys. Damn, dude. I'll do it. Damn, dude. I'm tripping.
Fucking days low like a stud.
4-1-45. Damn, that shot me into drawdown. 4-1-4-45. 4-1. Where the fuck did I put my fucking? Oh my god.
She put the crack in her booty. I be pulling out scraps with fuck nigga. I go young and May on these dumb bitches. Like a dyke man, you niggas can't fuck with me. If a nigga say it's up, then it's stuck with me. What's the principle? Pimpin' ain't easy. I'm invincible, niggas can't beat me. Hey, what's the principle? Pimpin' ain't easy. I'm invincible, niggas can't beat me.
I'm gonna have to close my GJ trade. It's not a good. It's just gonna close at resistance. So do you think gold will go bearish? I'll tell you right now. I think that GJ is gonna go bullish with this close at this fucking resistance level. Oh my god. Can I get a zap down, please? Can I just get a zap down, please?
One-on-one bitch, they team. One-on-one never again. One get the cake in the butter. I count it like hustle the money all in. I'm in the town in the drop top coupe in the motor in the trunk you can hear. And all about how they want me to lose, but I'm W due for a win. Fucking this bitch in the orgy, I'm having this nobody pull up a leg.
All right, gold. Do I think it's gonna go down? Let's go look at the hourly. I do believe it's gonna go down. I mean, I'm going for the same move across the board right now, which probably is not the smart idea. Wick fill. I love the way that these candlesticks are bearish and out of nowhere before the new 4-hour candlestick comes, they're just leaving it. It's because of the new 4-hour candlestick, right? I could easily see this candlestick closing like this, next 4-hour come, and then just filling it to the downside. That's across the board that I'm seeing that. Besides GJ. Besides motherfucking GJ, that's just literally getting ready to fuck me. And US30 also. Did it too early? Maybe. Yeah, 5 minutes before the 4-hour candlestick. Is that US30 looks to me like it's going up too quick. Where is it? Oh my god. I'm gonna get obliterated here. Yeah, I'm getting obliterated here. I'm happy for all those who had not hopped into the trade. Obliterated, bro. That's totally fine. Lost 1% on this trade. Potentially gonna lose another percent. Damn it. Thinking about making it all back on gold. Not like that. Not like I'm fucking. More in a serious way. More in a serious way where I see easily this fucking wick getting filled to the downside right now, chat. Oh my god. Damn, GU's going bearish though. GJ and GU not correlating. Not like us. This looks like an accumulation of the support level. We were at the support level. We flew. We're back at it. Descending levels of resistance. I'm either going to go with a GU sell or a gold sell. GU sell or a gold sell. And this one's going to be taking in all the challenges and all the instant accounts that we're passing right now. Let's wait for that new 4-hour candlestick and we'll get focused. Jesus. Hey, Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Damn, dude. Wish we would have taken the bounce. The bullish bounce. I thought it was too early for that bullshit. Oh my god. We would have been banking. Look at the cash amount. I get the cash amount. I do the dash amount. Look at my bank account. Look at the cash amount. Alright, boys, new 4-hour candlestick across the board is about to come. New 4-hour candlestick across the board about to pop up on our screen. We will be able to start reacting right after this candlestick opens. 4-hour. GJ don't look the prettiest. Looks like a fucking ripple fib. Looks like a great ripple fib. Alright, new 4-hour candlestick has just opened. US30's 4-hour candlestick. Let's see how that looks. Oh, Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. I'm so screwed here. All right, GJ's 4 hour. Oh, Macarena, Macarena. I'm also screwed here. Yep, that's the 4 hour. I am definitely screwed. Damn it. Gold's the one thing that didn't get a new 4 hour candlestick. Look, this looks like a great wick fill sell. It's the wick fill sell that we've been calling out the whole time right now. See if that ends up playing out. Jamad Varner, have you hopped into the gold sell yet? Anybody currently in this gold sell? There's no chance we don't have somebody in this gold sell. Damn, dude, I got obliterated there.
Pull up on the kid, she left her kid at home. It's 10 p.m. and Atlanta where I'm at, it's 4 in the morning. Marble Spain in the view is the same round the corner from Jordan. Speed in the coupe, Jeff Gordon. I got the foreign imported.
So annoyed. Alright, this looks bullish enough where I could close. Now it looks really bullish. But smaller time frame. Let's go to the higher time frame real quick. Still looks bullish. You're in the US30 buy? Oh my god, I envy you, brother. I envy you. I'm wondering, what is the chance this buy turns into a sell? Because if we actually catch a sell US30 and it goes, damn, the thing is that we're breaking all these highs. Like, so it's like sell does seem like, I mean, right now, truthfully, if we do catch a sell, it seems like it'd be a retracement. And retracements aren't really the funnest trades to try to catch. You're better off going with momentum, which is the buy currently. Oh my god. I knew that I wanted to catch US30 and NASDAQ under resistance level. I just didn't do it on time. Well, US, what the fuck is this? Oh, this is the NAS. NAS might melt. Ugh. The NASDAQ sells, right? NASDAQ sells and gold sells look good right now. Now I just want a better entry. I want this to go kind of go bullish on me and act like it's going bullish, and from there I'll be the last entry. That's some fucking bullshit. My ass got stopped out. If this thing melts and I got stopped out like that, oh my god. I didn't get stopped out at GJ. I didn't close it out either. But damn, bro. What is a dumb way to get... Wake up and get to it, go hustle and get this cash. Wake up and get to it, go hustle and get this cash. I've literally been watching you for 2 years now. I was the drunk one. Hello. What do you mean you were the drunk one? As in, I don't know. You got me confused now. Thank you for watching me for 2 years. I truly appreciate the support. Hopefully, I'm planting things in your guys' minds that actually apply and that would that help you apply your strategy correctly. I obviously don't want you guys to fucking try to trade like me. That doesn't help at all, right? But try to incorporate different things that you see that I use into your own trading style. Man, the world will be yours. The sky's the limit.
Everything high key, even when you low on the cover, somehow it always leak. Popping out with my little shorty and we ain't got a sneak. I came with like 3-4 securities, I ain't even deep. Phantom Rose and bulletproof, choke yeah, young on the one elite. Baby won't stop sucking me.
I don't even like my GJ cells right now. I liked them before when I hopped in. I just don't want to fucking close them out impulsively. I just don't. I don't know. I'd rather take my loss. I lost 1% on my live account. Potentially gonna lose another 2%. I mean, lose 2% total, which is totally fine. I don't really worry too much about that. What are we gonna catch here, boys? Gold is going bullish now, which is a good move for us if we do want to catch the sell. Oh, it's gone. I want this to go bullish a little bit more. Please don't just start melting out on us. I want to call out a 10 pip stop loss. Would go, like, imagine our entry was right here at 12. We'd put a stop loss at 3122 at 22. And then we would just go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. This is like so far what I would be throwing up on the board. Damn, if this goes bullish a little bit more, I am most likely going to hop into this thing. Damn, chat. The sell is setting up for us. This is probably going to be the fucking... I don't want it to be the final trade. I want it to be a win and then we take another one. But this might be the trade. This literally might be the trade. There's just no way we leave a wick like that. Oh, but it's going. Chat, ones in the chat if you guys are bullish on gold. If you guys see buys on gold, type 1 in the chat. If you guys see sells on gold, type 2s in the chat. 2s in the chat if you guys see sells on gold.
Take me back if I was you and I did what I did, I probably would. I probably wouldn't. Take you back if I was you and I did what I did, I probably would. I probably wouldn't. Just wipe your eyes and started crying. I told the truth that I've been lying. I gave you rats, I tried to buy in. I even did the unthinkable. I'm sorry.
Damn, you're bullish all the way.
Somehow you turn into my girlfriend. We used to tell each other everything. I even went and bought a diamond rings, matching earrings. Everything was so cool. Lately, baby, been acting so rude. I don't know what somebody told you, but I ain't gonna lie, Mr. OU. Keep our business to ourselves. The internet ain't doing no help. I know I shouldn't have never lived, but everything I did for us and us, I'm speaking on my...
Man, gold is setting up for us. I mean, my eyes are telling me that we have a huge wick to the downside. I would be surprised if this was the bottom of the market and this just kept on rallying. It's possible. It's totally possible. I would just, oh my god, like, look at that wick, chat. Anybody else see this wick and think that it needs to get filled? We have Xander in the chat that's bullish. Anybody else that's bearish in this chat? 2s in the chat if you guys are bearish. Ah, looks so bad. Oh, GJ looks like a ripple fib as balls, bro. GJ's about a ripple bullish as late. I should fucking close out of that GJ trade. Oh, it's going down. Dude, GJ looks like a huge ripple fib. Motherfucker. Alright, so we got Pol Jacko. He's also bearish. Yeah. You're in a swing bullish. I know you mean that you're not in a 5 pip fucking trade. Lio is also bearish on this gold push right here. I think gold's gonna be the most entertaining thing to see right now. What are you doing, gold? Imagine this high gets broken. The high, this high gets broken, and then it just melts. We don't have any Forex factory news. No red folders, no orange folders. Tomorrow, new monthly candlestick. And we have news for New York session. No London session news. It's pretty whack. And then again, no London session news. And then again, no London session news. And then again, no London session news. And then again, no day. Yo, come on, bro. We got no news during London session this week. Like, what the fuck?
Believe me, you wanna keep your life and take it easy. I'm rocking water diamonds, need a squeegee. These niggas water down, they drinking Fiji. My whip is orange and brown like I'm in Cleveland. My bitch is mellow yellow like a soda. These niggas title tellers, I'm a soldier. Hey, somebody tell them niggas that it's over. You know it's baby, nigga. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton.
Okay, net Kasegu. Wakashi was stop. I get money, I'ma stop. Stop. Don't miss the US 100 move. Oh shit, what's happening? I wouldn't have taken the buy up there though. Up here, I wouldn't have taken the buy. Up here, it's where I'm mainly bullish, right? Because once we got up to that resistance level, we broke this. All right, so then this just turns into a range that we had a liquidity grab on, which when we start ranging at the bottom, most likely is because we're gonna start the up channel. So this is down channel, side channel, up channel. Sells, brother. Yeah, no. So I mean, I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything here because once I'm past this resistance level, I'm bullish, right? So anything that comes downwards, it's just a better opportunity for me to be able to take it. You know, unless this comes back into the range and then just keeps on melting again, that would be tragic. That would be a double fake out. That for sure would screw with a lot of people in the market, but I just don't, like, I lost my bearish bias there. NASDAQ. I mean, everything still has a possibility of melting. You just because there's a possibility doesn't mean we gotta go for it, you know? Oh my god. The only thing that has stuck to its fucking colors is GU. GU is the only thing that still looks bearish and still looks like it's struggling to go bullish. But man, I can't get over this fucking candle, like this 30-minute candlestick chart. I'd see this 90% of the time I'm taking a fucking sell. Like, it looks like a sell. The wick fill needs to happen. Let's get to it. I think this is going to be considered the execution. I think we might execute. I think this is going to be the call out. Just look at this hourly, bro. This thing literally looks like it's ready to melt out. Support level, it flew. Came back to the support level. Actually broke the support level. Whatever, it respected it. Respected it, right? There was a lot of momentum with the opening of the stock exchange. I mean, sheesh. We go back up to this resistance level. Yeah, I get just the problem with that is if this just goes back to this bullish 4-hour candlestick will turn bullish. This bearish 4-hour candlestick will turn bullish, and this 4-hour candlestick has 2 hours and 45 minutes left. So if this candlestick flips bullish, I'd expect the end of this fucking candlestick by the closing of it to look like all the way up here. And I just can't imagine that right now with gold. Like, gold looks like it needs to chill the fuck out. So I'm really debating whether we should take these gold sells right now. Now, like I said, I'm currently in it on my live account. I'm up $6,000 on the live account. That's why I'm fucking trading it like a maniac, because I'm going to keep on pushing or lose the profits. It's totally fine. But now with the people that I am passing their challenges, we are getting ready to take our first trade of the day, first trade of the week. People that I'm passing the challenges, this is, I mean, if we take this trade, this is the first one that's going to be reflected on your account. Therefore, I'm asking for your guys' opinion on, do you guys like the sell, or you guys are a little bit skeptical? I said spectacle. You gotta remember, this is my morning, boys. Still waking up. Don't miss out on the US 100 move. I already saw that. US 100 came back down into the range. Obviously, that doesn't really mean much. The important thing, I think the most important thing, was this huge liquidity grab that we had right here. That was honestly the bullish entry. I was almost about to hop into the NASDAQ one. I didn't. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, didn't. You know, shoulda doesn't really ever work in Forex. Or coulda. Alright, boys, if you guys have not liked up the stream yet, make sure you guys smash the like button. It helps the channel grow immensely. You guys have no idea how much it helps the algorithm. So smash that like button. Make sure you guys are subscribed and you guys have post notifications turned on. Post notifications will let you know every time that I turn on the stream. Therefore, you're not missing out on any trades, because a lot of the times I do turn on the stream right when I know I'm going to take a trade. So like if I know I'm going to go on live stream, I'm looking at the chart, I'm trying to picture what I'm going to be fucking breaking down. Pause. This is fucking actually might move right now. We have 15 minutes left for this 30-minute candlestick. Sorry for the yawning, chat. Oh, my bad. All right, so price is at 3113. I don't want it at 3123. .5. It would look something like this. Take the fucking support level out of here. Lio, you currently in this trade? I'm getting a GJ retracement. Not a big one, but it's retracing. It's like this thing about this entry, it's one of those entries where it looks so good up until it's in drawdown. It's like this entry is amazing up until it's in drawdown and you're like, oh fuck, this was probably one of the worst entries. It's crazy how the chart does that. Oh boy, GJ. GJ. Let's go look at US30 real quick. Oh shit, US30's back in the range. NASDAQ pulling the wick fill potentially. Boys. Oh. 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 Is this the bounce or is it going? And I'm still back on Rodeo. Do you niggas salty to say so?
You niggas still tipping Caro. She with a P in the leg at the condo. We bout to eat my Giano. Up in the P.I.S. I'm beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco. OJ, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo. Inside my body is hollow. Count up them right, get your folks out the ghetto. You know that was always the motto. So nigga won't talk out his side of his neck. I just let it be young, come and swallow. Told my little brother we pulling up spanking these niggas that thinking we hoes. Don't do no explaining, I don't know what you thinking, but you help a young nigga grow. You add up the 2 rings on both of my fingers, I pay like 600 or more. Give out so many bells about so many bangers, you asking the real niggas know. I been putting that shit on, showing boy how to dress and get fresh and pull up with the hoes. Don't care about no nigga been sending me threats on the west, I get love from the lokes. Let me turn back around and go back to a cell for a nigga with internet jokes. For this shit I'm still doing it for Jeff and Lakita, you know it's RP to the Pope. And my heart covered in chrome, then I just not rockin' chrome. Gonna back up early morning. That bitch is passing me robes. Heavy long, I never talk about.
Oh no.
Yeah, class yesterday man that we didn't put them on.
It's so funny how in Forex you can never get really too excited. Things could look so good in your favor, and then I don't know, where it just looks so bad, and then I don't know, where it looks so good. So it's always one of those games where they always tell you, yeah, you gotta kind of maintain your composure. Fuck that. You know, I'm trying to fucking hype up the charts. I believe in fucking energies. You feel me? Manifest this thing down to the bottom, boy. Keep on pushing. Drop and give me 20. Drop and give me 20. You feel me? You start talking to it and it starts moving. I've always had this little strategy also where when I fucking close the charts, it tends to go into my way. So a lot of the times on live stream, you guys have seen it before, I walk away from the stream, starts fucking melting price out. The market makers are watching. That's the problem. You got to make sure the market makers are not watching the streamers. You're hopping into a streamer's trade, you have the chance of the market makers going against you. Why? Because we are making the market right now. As everybody hops into this sell, we are pushing this thing down. I'm just kidding. Don't think that I actually believe that. People will clip that and fucking run with it. Trader that thinks he is pushing the market. I ain't been eating no bullshit. Boys, I have to get a new car for the wife. We've been looking at cars. We looked at some Teslas. We looked at a couple of different things. This is like family car though. Pizza King, I'm in this US30 sell. I'm in drawdown on GJ sell that I've been in since like fucking 4 or 5 hours. Who knows? This is the trade that I recently just took though. We're alive. Why did we take this trade? It all had to do with this hourly candlestick. It was very bearish, and out of nowhere, it left a huge wick to the downside. Huge wick to the downside. Yes, we know it respected this level of support. Nonetheless, even if this next hourly candlestick were to open bullish, what I'm expecting this whole time is for at least somewhat of this wick fill to get filled. So it's basically the wick fill that I'm going for. I mean, it's a trade that I feel like has an 80%, a 70% minimum, but I think it has like an 80% hit rate. So if this trade doesn't hit, it just wasn't meant to be, and that's it. Trading's all about probabilities. I see the best possible probability. I'm taking the trade. Another thing really much, we could do much more about that. I was going to say something else. Completely forgot. Damn, GU, fucking told you guys GU was the only thing that looked like it was actually respecting what it had to do. God damn. US30 probably now also. Let me see this. NASDAQ. NASDAQ was our other option of taking the wick fill sell. Yeah. I mean, shit. GJ, come down, please. Even though you look bullish. This is the most important thing for me right now. Let's go. Keep it pushing. Damn, chat. I was going to say something and I completely forgot. Completely forgot. Felt like I was going to say something important. Shorting NASDAQ in the green. Alrighty. Let's keep it going. Oh, the whip. You're totally Alright, bro. I ain't a fucking millionaire, alright? So, first of all, we're gonna get a whole bunch of people just start talking trash on the fucking car. Notice this is a car for a dog and a potential child, alright? This is not a car for fucking picking up bitches at the strip club, taking strippers from fucking booby trap to 11. None of that. This is none of that. This is that I am a father. I'm not a father, but I'm a dog father. But this is that I am a serious. I don't even feel like showing you guys. I feel like I'm trashing it a little bit too much. Or like I don't even fucking know. I'm gonna just show you guys. I don't really give a fuck. Passport. No potential child. It's this whip right here, boys. I'll show you. Damn, but I kind of don't like it when it's in these little photos. I ain't been eating no bullshit. I'm back on my food whip. This whip right here. So that's how it looks on the inside. Just standard. Fucking. You have to see the seats though, and the shit gets like it has like a 4,000. See, but I think I'd get it in green. Oh, there you go. That's the seat part I was trying to show you. It has like the stitching in the sheet. Well, to begin with, where I'm currently living right now, the car would fucking look like dirt every single day. Because where I'm living right now, there's just a whole bunch of fucking big, long dirt roads. A whole bunch of bullshit where, like, if you don't got a car like this, you getting stuck. You getting stuck. It has, like, plugins in the back where you could plug in shit. All this opens up. You can put shit under it. You see? So it doesn't come with a spare tire. Oh, it does come with a spare tire, but I don't know why this is there. I know that you could open this and you could put shit like underground. It's just a dope little fucking car. Easy to get. Easy to get in and get out of Honda with. Easy to get in and get out. Not gonna add too much to the expenses monthly. I got a car where I could fucking finally go up a hill. And fucking... I want to run over a curb. That's the one thing I wanted to do. I'm sick of seeing people stuck in situations and they just go with their big ass trucks, fucking run the curb over, just U-turn that bitch onto the grass, and my ass is there fucking looking like a pussy. Like I would do that. I'm looking at that, I'm like, good shit. I would do that. And now I'm gonna be able to do that shit. I'm gonna fucking everything I could 4x4, bro. I'm gonna park on the fucking the little, you know, when you have the little parking spaces, the little thing that you're supposed to like stop at. I'm gonna put my wheel on top of that. Like, that's how I'm feeling. The thing is, I'm not too much of a truck guy. I've recently started liking, like, big cars. And that's just because where I fucking live. Like, I'm going down a whole bunch of big-ass dirt roads a lot of the time. In between big trees and shit. And, like, just, you look like you're in the jungle. Like, just fucking... Man, I wish I would... I'm gonna take a video one day and show you guys. And, like, the fucking cars sliding left, sliding right, because it's all, like, dirt roads. There's a whole bunch of kids in fucking dirt bikes because they don't even like driving cars there. Put a light kit on it. So I like the idea. Bro lives in... It looks like Africa. The sand looks like Africa. Like I'm telling you. Let me see. Did I actually take a video of where I was yesterday? Let me see. I know I was on FaceTime and I showed... Bro. It's just the swamp. That's why they call this area the swamp. Bro's been driving in Africa. I don't. It's fine. Alright, let's go check out how this guy's NASDAQ sell is. Wait, is this the NASDAQ? Oh wow, I'm pretty annoyed. The NASDAQ wick fill is playing out a lot better than our gold wick fill so far. Not a lot better, but better for sure. GJ, nice. Nice, I'm in profit on GJ finally again. Thank God I didn't close out a GJ. That's why I don't like closing out of trades randomly. That shit's fucking stupid. Yeah, the other car we were looking at was like one of those like fucking Tesla mod, those big Teslas. But honestly, that is a very expensive car, and it's not that I'm not willing to fucking pay monthly a car like that, because I'm leasing, I'm not buying no shit. But for a big piece of plastic, like for a big piece of plastic, are you kidding me? Shit don't even got an engine. You don't charge me that much. Shit don't even got an engine, bruh. Do we have any baseball fans in here, chat? Any baseball fans? While we wait for this fucking gold trade to either... I mean, we're not closing at break even, but we definitely could adjust the trade if shit gets ugly. But I mean, it looks great still. It really does look great. We're just fucking taking forever for this hourly candlestick to close. This hourly could be the one that has the wick fill, right? So we could go very bullish on this, and then they could go bearish. Like, realistically, we need to wait for this hourly candlestick to fucking finish closing. Yes, sir. We got big baseball fans. That's why you said, Rosie, you said yes? I have a friend who's in the fucking major league. He's in the fucking... Yeah, that's how you say it, the major leagues. His name's Pedro Pages. He's a high school buddy. Dude's fucking was always built as fucking... Dude hit a fucking home run yesterday. Now, nothing like the Yankees. Nothing like the Yankees this season. I mean, somebody's got to check them for fucking cameras. Obviously, everyone's talking about the bats, but I feel like the bats is the best way to fucking distract somebody else from a different way of cheating. Like, you pull up with some funky ass. Like, imagine all the baseball players were to show up with shorts to the bat, to you know, to the fucking. No one's gonna be paying attention to the whether the fucking. I don't know which other ways of cheating. You're gonna be smashing the fucking trash cans like the Astros, but like, just it's a big distraction. How many home runs did the Yankees end up scoring yesterday? I was at 16 when I stopped watching. 16. Damn, GU ended up playing out, which is upsetting because GU was one of our options of taking the sell. I went with GJ instead. That's obviously a regret. This is not good for our gold trade. Fuck. I need this to not get near this resistance level. That's the most important thing. That is the most important thing right now. Oh my god, NASDAQ went bullish also. US30! Oh! Oh! Fuck! That's not good for us. Damn, boy! But it's up with these markets right now. Damn, NASDAQ turnaround also. Yo, look at US30. Holy fuck. Damn it. That is super not good for us. What did the DXY do? DXY didn't do shit. What the fuck was that? That is so annoying, dude. You ain't going anywhere, bitch. God damn. God damn, chats. That's twice. That would be twice. If this ends up fucking stopping me out, that'd be twice. Nasdaq did the same shit to me, where it looked fucking good for a second and then it just exploded. I don't really know what to tell. Fuck. TP on US30 buy? Jesus Christ, bro. You definitely made more than 1% there. No fucking way, dude. Fucking Xander was right. I called it too, it just didn't take it. Yeah, call out a lot of goddamn things. I love the fucking liquidity grab. I mean, this is definitely one of the setups that I teach all the time, which is whenever we have a clear range and then price comes and, you know, fucking aggressively breaks the support level that just zap back up in it. This is something that we've taken many times. I teach it a lot. I probably called it out. I just didn't have enough. I mean, I think it was with Nasdaq that we were about to take it, and then it just went when I didn't have enough time. But if we would have even taken it on Nasdaq, it would have, like, this would have been shitty. Like, this doesn't even look as good. It had to be taken on US30. On US30, it played out how the setup I imagined it to play out, which is zap back into the range and then reach the top of the range. I probably would have closed out at the top of the range, because here then you could start getting a big consolidation after that. And then this is where you start getting like the head and shoulders formation. As in, this would be a shoulder, this would be your head, those would be your shoulders, and then you'd break. But no, we didn't make any shoulders, and then we didn't do anything like that. This just broke. This just literally broke, which is an accumulation of resistance. I also teach this breakout trade. Sells at this resistance. I mean, buys at that resistance level, not sells. Just like I teach sells at this support level, not buys. Buys beneath the support level, yes, but not buys at the support level. At the support level, you sell. Come on, Diddy. Come on. Drop, please. Do something magical for me, please. I'm still in profit on GJ. Well, just barely in profit. Fucking in drawdown his balls with this shit. Here's my trade. Down $1,000. Down 3,000 for the day total. Because I lost a 1% trade. Bro, this 30-minute candlestick has a lot of momentum in it, bro. Oh my god, does anybody got any snoozes in? Any snooze, any zin? That's the fucking problem. We got a whole bunch of people sleeping on them. God damn. So pissed I got getting stopped out right here. I mean, I'm glad that I have not taken this trade on any of the challenges that I'm passing. So for whoever I am passing their challenge right now, we're trading their instant live account. The only person that is getting dogged is you, Blaze, as if you're watching Blaze. We're getting dogged. We're getting dogged in our live account. We were up 6,000. Now we're goddamn only up 4,000. Now, GJ could maybe save the day with that, because we are in a great GJ trade as we see. Gold might take from that. I have no idea. Up to the moment, we are being patient. I want to see if I could get any more. I mean, the market's moving. The market's moving. Oh my god. Tommy Buell. When they make those from ZA, then the game. Wait, when they make those from ZA, then the game changes. They actually do. Actually, they don't. I've seen them on like Instagram, but they're like fucking CBD bullshits. Like, who the fuck wants to pop a CBD pillow? Fucking barrels out. You get the barrels out, you know, bring the shirts up, barrels out, throw some chetties up in the mouth, top shelf, bottom shelf, don't really matter. Go wheel some seagulls right after. It's beautiful. I love it. Gets me going. A nice little coffee. Oof. Oof. Y'all don't understand the power of these goddamn things. A lot of y'all don't even know what we're talking about here. We're talking about goddamn Zenicinos. Pop one, go all the way to goddamn Zimbabwe. Looks like gold will keep going up and NQ will keep on selling, which makes no sense to me. I think if gold keeps on going up, we're gonna not see Nasdaq go. We're gonna see Nasdaq go up with it. So if this Nasdaq starts going up, yeah, gold's probably going up. But I see Nasdaq and gold kind of moving with each other right now. I could be completely wrong though. You got some 9%, some 9 milligrams. These are 3 milligrams. So I'm here on level number 1. Level number 1, 3 milligrams. You know, I already feel like I'm in Narnia when I pop them. Bro, wondering what's so weird? Like, oh no, GU did end up selling off. I'm not even a big fan of this GJ sell, bro. I'm not a big fan of this GJ sell. So please, nobody hop into GJ sells right now. What I'm looking at when I see GJ is that we have an accumulation of this resistance level, right? We were at this level of support. This level of support got wick filled, whatever. It's now resistance. This is a continuation candlestick. We have an option for this candlestick that we're looking at right now to flip bullish and continue going bullish. Second option is for the candlestick to kind of close where it is right now. Next candlestick opens and then ends up going bullish. Up to the moment, if it goes short, it just went short. Higher probabilities right now for sure are buys. For sure. Higher probabilities. Now, I don't know what that probability rate is at. I'd say this looks like if you take a buy with a stop loss, 30 pips, you got like a 60 to 70% chance of hitting that buy. I honestly would probably stay away from it. But I don't want people sniping sells right now because I'm holding my sell just because I'm in profit. But the second it starts going into drawdown again, I'm most likely getting out of it. Serious talk now on the table. Now when it comes down to gold, yeah, I'm fucking gonna probably end up losing my 2%. And that will mean, I mean my 1%, but that will mean I'm down 2% for the day on my fucking live account, which is tragic, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. I thought that this would be a banger trade, bro. I really thought that this would be like a banger trade, which it still could be, but like, fuck, man. Huge wick to the downside that needs to get filled. I mean, this literally looks like what we were just looking at on GJ. Was it? No, this literally looks like what we were looking at on Nasdaq. What's it, Nasdaq? What chart were we just looking at? GJ, I think. Nah, I can't find an example of something that looks. Dude, look at this candlestick. I don't believe that it's gonna flip bullish. I really don't. This looks like it needs to just fucking come back down. But what I would be so excited about this trade, feeling it's gonna melt if I had news coming up. But we got no news coming up. We got no fucking catalyst to actually fucking zap the price. We're stuck. Oh my god, that is fucking absolutely garbage. It's funny how as I say GG looks bullish, it's kind of like going bearish. Nah, but like I said, don't touch GG right now, even though this looks like an accumulation of level support. Not the smartest fucking. Just leave that there. GJ's still going down. GJ might save like half my losses today. Bro, is that this gold? I'm not over this gold. This gold still has a chance of coming, I think. Damn, dude. The more GU goes down, the more I'm pretty upset because, I mean, obviously it was one of our options. We were going to trade GJ, GU, US30 or NAS. I mean gold or NAS. They faked out continuation candlestick, big melt. Wow, so this what happened? This is how gold looks right now. Hopefully gold goes down. Like gold is literally about to reach the top of the resistance level, top of the range. This was about to reach the top of the range and then it just melted out. Pretty impressive. Just like right there, you just can't melt out right there. You see, same level, just melt. That'd be fucking amazing. ESXD trading. I need yeah, I guess I need to do it myself then. I need to go on. I can do it myself right now. I need to get you and Real Right back in the cut. Right? Is that who I'm thinking of? You and Real Right? I don't know your Discord name. I forgot it. I know that Real Right's Discord name is Real Right. I apologize, bro. I give strict rules to the mods, and the mods just act. The mods got no mercy. I remember when Badass was a mod. Badass had no mercy on anybody. Like the second you even fucking gave your opinion on Indian politics, like you're banned. You're banned. But boys, Real Right has been joining the stream. Has been a part of the community for years now, and Real Right is currently also starting his community streaming, sending trades. So we'll put the pressure on him. Everybody go check out Real Right. He's in the chat right now. Look at Real Right. You see the chat right there, Real Right FX. If you guys want to go check out what trades he has to offer, what things he's doing, more than glad for you guys to go check out Real Right. He's right there in the chat. I'm gonna add him back to the Discord and shit like that. But he got there was a little misinterpretation there. Real Right, where are you from again, brother? I feel like you look like you're from the South, or you look like you're from New York. Now, matter of fact, Jersey. There you go. My bad. Well, I don't know if that was my bad or not. Maybe people from Jersey feel like liking. I have family in Madison. Talk about Jersey. He ain't from Jersey. Where he from? He from Newark. He from Madison. I feel like people from Jersey would say they're from Jersey because everybody wants to say they're from. Where does everybody want to say they're from again? What's that guy that's where's Stone starts with an S. Stone ST. Stony Island? No. Damn, dude. Where is it that everybody wants to say they're from? Where's Pete Davidson from? Pete Davidson? He's from. Where's that guy from? Pete Davidson. Where's he from? Staten Island. There you go. Everybody wants. Yeah, but I actually don't know the difference. You know, it's like if you call somebody from New York that they're from New Jersey, they feel offended. They're like, no, you're not from New York, you're from Jersey. And now the guy from Jersey saying he's from Jersey, and they're like, no, you're not from Jersey, you're actually from Jersey City. Boy, fuck the North. I'm just kidding. Kidding. I actually enjoy going to New York. I've been in New York multiple times I used to go every fucking New Year's, actually. Because I have family in Madison, so we'd take the train to Times Square and shit. Actually, that was when my mom was like big balling, so we'd actually fucking Uber from fucking Jersey to New York. We didn't give a fuck about the price tag there. And then I used to try to wander off on my own to try to get away from my mom. Fucking go up to the fucking people on the street trying to buy some goddamn, weed. And then everyone's on the street, they're like big black dudes. They're like, fish. I'm like, What is he saying? My sister's like, they're fucking offering cocaine. I'm like, no, let's look for some. I don't want that. I actually followed some dude into some sketchy ass neighborhood to cop. Damn, dude, I'm gonna get stopped out of this one. Not a good trading day. It's not over yet though, but fuck, man, it's not been. And now GJ's popping off. Yeah, it's not. Dude, is that, look at this fucking candlestick on gold. And GJ, I don't know. This, I mean, I'm not gonna close out yet. Still looks good for sells, decent for sells. Oh my god. All right, well, I'm gonna get ready to put 8 and 5, which is not a good record. The record is starting to get a little bit, but the month is ending. Oh, we'll just wait for this fucking trade to finish. So upsetting. I feel like majority of other streamers right now went for the fucking buys, which throws. I need water. All right. The thing that pisses me off is that I feel like majority of all the traders went for fucking buys. And it's not that they're, oh my god. It's not that they're, well, wait, hold up. We might be speaking too soon. Damn, dude, I didn't even notice that NASDAQ still looks fucking bearish as balls. NASDAQ is most likely going to do what US30 did, though, which is come back into the range and touch the top of the range. So we're not even going to fucking try taking another sell or something like that. Let's just wait for these trades to play out. GJ went back down. GJ went back down. Gold didn't, though. Such bullshit. I started the day with 6 grand. It's not looking good. What is my entry on GJ? Entry on GJ is 193.774. What is my stop loss? Oh no, my entry is 193.434. 193.400, 770. So 400. We entered like over here, truthfully, and then 700. And gold, horrible. GJ, not the best. Chat, what trades are you guys currently in? Do we still have anybody holding these fucking US30 longs? Do we have people in gold right now? Share your guys' trades with us. I'll break it down. I'll break down what I think. Or sure, let me know what pair you guys want me to break down right now while we watch. Well, shit, dude, look at the volume that this is picking up. Come on, gold. Come down, gold. Come down, gold. I still find it very hard to believe that this is the 4-hour candlestick on gold. Like, this don't happen a lot, where it just literally respects the 8 SMA so perfectly. This big of fucking candlestick flip. Nasdaq sell. I don't know, bro. US30 with the way that US30. I mean, look at US30. It kind of, Nasdaq is giving me the vibe that it's gonna do the same liquidity grab at the bottom. Like if it wanted to melt out, I feel like it would have melted out. I feel like bearish momentum is dead. But then again, bro, market does what it wants. That's what I want people to understand. The market does what it wants. That's why, and the reason I say that, it's because every trade, long or short, has a probability of hitting, right? There's always a chance that it hits, whether it be the fucking trade that we're in right now, whether it be a sell from right here. Everything has a probability of hitting, right? Why? Because the market does what it wants. There's nothing that's 100% certain. So therefore, even this right here has a probability of hitting. The point of trading is to get yourself in the highest probability trades, right? Following risk management, following, you know, proper strategy. So therefore, you could win more times than you lose. And therefore, when you win more times than you lose, you're in profit. That's one way of approaching it, right? You could lose more times than you win and still be in profit, right? That's why people pass challenges all the time with fucking 30%, 40% win rates. It's not bad having a 30, 40% win rate. It really just depends on, you know, if you're having a 30, 40% win rate, hopefully you're, you know, catching 1 and 2s at least and shit like that. How much are we currently up on this trade? We're up $1,000. I need it to keep on going, because this is where a lot of people are going to take buys, and I could see this being a good buy position. I really could. 8 SMA right there. Hourly candlestick's about to close. Hourly candlestick's about to close. And hourly candlestick's about to close over here also. Hourly candlestick's about to close over here horribly on us. Horribly, horribly, horribly. Let's see if in 3 minutes something magical happens. I'm going to hold the fucking GJ because I'm going all the way to fucking 192 on GJ. Looks like such a good, I mean, dude, this is where, if I wasn't in this sell, which is the part that's throwing me off, if I wasn't in this sell, I'd be looking at these fucking 0.618 buys. Looking at it doesn't mean I'd be taking it. I've been looking at it, which I know that you guys are looking at. I got stopped out of gold. Gold pop. All right, I lost the trade, which that trade was a gold call out. Let me fix the record to 8 and 5. Hopefully I catch 9 and 5, because 8 and 5 is not looking like a good record. Take this off the screen. Oh shit. Shit's melting. There you go. There you go. Why is this melting and gold flying? I don't fucking get that shit. Why? Because it wants to piss me off. That's why. But it makes sense that the yen is getting stronger. Why? Because actually it doesn't. Because how is US30 flying and the yen is getting stronger? That makes no sense. If fucking US30 is dying, then that means safe haven currency should get stronger. Fucking, that's why I don't like using Confluence. It makes no sense. We'll take it though. Keep on melting. Keep on melting. Keep on melting. Keep on melting. Didn't I get stopped out of this gold trade? There you go. Keep on melting. Now that I thought about it, even if we win this trade, I can't even put this on our record, because this trade is the trade that I was in before I even hopped in. I never called out this GJ trade. That'd be fucking cheating. So honestly, even if we win, I mean, this trade is a win. I'm already past 1%, but I can't put 9 on our screen because I didn't call this out on live stream. I was already in this trade. I let you guys know I was in it, but it's not a call out. So record for the now stays 8 and 5, even if we close out and win on this trade. For those who fucking think I cheat the scorecard, I don't cheat the scorecard. There's no reason to. I'm not closing it. I'm holding this. That was a lot of bearish momentum. I mean, if it quickly zaps back up, all right, fuck it. I'm not going to be able to make money. I'll probably close it at break even. But I'm going to hold this shit right now. Yeah, I'll put my stops to break even.
Out of my wrist, counted and spin it. Man at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New rent it, too many fads, too many bitches. Roll my slime, get in my lizard, ready to slide.
We're currently looking at GJ. I just barely switched to gold right now. My screen kind of froze. What the fuck is going on? No, I'm trying to keep my eyes off of gold. Too stressful. I already got stopped out of gold, by the way. Well, it's crazy. I've been bearish on GJ since I started the stream. Obviously, I was in the GJ sell. Shit could have been playing out the whole time. Fucking complicating our lives and shit. Currently up $2,700 in this trade. So far, it's made up for my gold trade. Hopefully, it'll make up for the NASDAQ. I don't like that rejection. That rejection looks bad. Because if it starts trading above this 50, not a good sign. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Go to 700, all the way to 700. You think I should throw a stop loss? I mean, not a stop loss. I have stop loss at break even. A take profit. Yo, trade locker sucks. Look at this thing lag. Like, I don't even know what I'm looking at. I'm just discarding this. Oh, come on. No. Hey, buddy boy. You want to say hi? Come here. Come here. Come say hi. Hey. Hey. Wash away all the evidence. I got some change in 18. Ride a rave like it's raining. I rock your bitch, you the vintage. I the bando relentless. I triple double with the rent, yeah. Put a Draco in my trench, yeah. I rob your hoe for the link, yeah. I triple doubles a year, yeah. I put a coupe on my bill, yeah. My business shit. What are you doing, big boy? What are you doing? I killed a gooch on the ceiling. Pop a Bugatti out of there. I got on white, I can't live. Alright, back up. Back up. $1,800? Oh my god. How's that $1,000 right there? No! Trap out match. Yeah, right on flash up. Exit, nigga. Believe. We got London on the track. I'm pouring foes and shit. I need to just put a deuce in. Car cost 400,000. I put a roof in. My nigga pot cooking so good, he put his shoe in. Nigga, it's a gangster party. Why fuck is you in it? Head bust a microwave shit, then taking 2 minutes. You know that there's some scraps in the club. They let my crew in. I might just do the Michael Vick man and cook your left hand. If you ain't talking about buying ground, then I'm Push, 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 push. Aggressive, 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 aggressive. Come on. Aggressive. This is an hourly candlestick. 5 minutes into a new hourly candlestick. Hopefully it's just making a top wick. Holding cells, gold cells entries 3127. 3122. 2122. Damn, you took the cell? Motherfucker.
You can't catch us, so forget it. That's no cap. I'm in a guinea. It's really rap. This ain't a gimmick. I had a trap. Now I got plenty. I'm in a castle. Fucking a genie. I bought the castle. She wanna wrestle. I done got tackle. Drunk on the henny. Track to a saddle. I had to handle. I'm about to smack him. Both on the fanny. I put 412s in the V12. My bitch trunk. Starting around. She said she smell. I'm doing well. When I wanna fuck, it don't matter. Bitch, I'm a shark. I'm not a whale. Into my cup. In my bladder. I got it on lock. Like I'm in jail. Soon as they buck, they get splattered. I'm about to drop it, no, I cannot fly, coming straight to the top like a ladder. Niggas play tough and they talk on the internet, but they ain't never gon' hit them. I took a loss and they made me a boss, now come look, I'm doing better than them. He calls you the Fabi Scotty when I'm coughing, I'm trying to get high enough. Getting high in the sky, boss, I can see it. High spot, and it's plush, die, and it's lit. Screw chop, Gucci sauce, got them drippin'. For the cops, we can't be stopped, just admit it. Paint the town. Baseline committed, bloodhound, cold hard crippin', best part, we got all the vibes with it, head start, you can't catch us, so forget it.
At least you're in profit, bro. I'm in buys drawdown. I feel like 4 hour had to test the 4 hour support. You're in buys drawdown on GJ? You're on a GJ buy? Well, the 4 hour support. Yeah, 4 hour support's been tested. If this flips bullish, I mean, that's the most beautiful bullish signal in the world. I mean, this reaches the top and you're in a fucking amazing trade. I'm still holding mine because fuck it, bro. I like the way that we came down all the way down to the support. Hopefully this upside down head and shoulders doesn't play out. I know it's not picture perfect. I don't think it's picture perfect. Down channel, side channel, up channel. Hopefully that doesn't happen, right? Hopefully that's the fake out that we're avoiding right now and going to the downside. I'm fucking freezing in my house right now. I'm like shaking on camera. I'm literally shaking. I know I got it, I'm all in the body and nobody got a clue. We in the coupe pulling up, boy, the private at G5 for only two. I really like it, I won't stay excited, don't wanna get tired of you.
wake up and you wanna go shopping. Yeah. Pick out a car, you got too many options. Bubblegum baby, yeah, you got it poppin'. Know what you do for the pattern. Kilo, I'm all in the mouth, food, you suck and slap it. You like the queen of the mop. Soon as I cut, she keep sucking, I don't want her to stop it. Digging, I'm breaking, I'm baking, I'm stroking. I see why they cause a commotion. Yeah. Hitting and looking at views of the ocean. Her pussy wet as an ocean. Handle the business, I'm bossed by the way I'm approaching. I'm gonna want to eat chosen. East to the west, we just really been coasting.
All right, let's go look at the other pairs for now. Gold, fucking getting ready to fly. Or, oh, it's 4 hour. GU still melting. EU melting. Come on, GG. That means that we could keep on melting. NASDAQ. What has the NASDAQ done so far? Still struggling to do that wick fill. If we were in this wick fill NASDAQ trade, we still would be in it. Just hanging on though. Oh my god. Bro, I hate when the charts are just jumping around like this. I mean, I'm more of a continuation trader, so therefore I'm better at just catching really good entries and getting the continuation of the momentum. But like this whole goes upwards, goes downwards, goes upwards, goes downwards. The only people that profit off of this shit are the fucking scalpers. And then scalpers, when they profit off of this, it's just random. It's like sometimes they profit, sometimes they blow the account. So it's like nobody's really making money when things are bouncing. Fucking idiotic. I'm about to get stopped out at break even. That's fucking retarded. Sorry for my language. I will calm down. I will calm down. Still alive. Still alive, but I'm barely breathing. I want to put that song. Still alive.
The kill for clout, I put that on my dead brother, yo. He talk so much, I showed him I'm a real hunter. Won't say it, but he know I still got real cutters, yo. Yeah, I'm right back and I lost mad commas. I had been down bad inside a dog tunnel, yo. Fuck them boys, I found out who my real problems. And who was only with me cause I had dollars. Never fucked a nigga, always stayed solid.
I just pray to a God that I don't believe in. Cause I got time off, she got freedom. Every nigga speaking on my neck could have some real problems. We are not the same, ain't in my lane, I got my own column, yeah. Peeping shit, I'm seeing niggas fall back. You bitches niggas got me in that topic. Bro, I'm shivering of cold, of how cold I am. I'm not even joking, but
I'm still alive, but I'm barely breathing. Just praying to a God that I don't believe in.
Boys, today or tomorrow I will be dropping a video kind of going into details on the strategies that I specifically use to kind of like maintain myself profitable, right? It's the few, I always call it the setups I have in my arsenal. That's the way I always put it. I have like an arsenal of setups, and those are the arsenal of setups that I use. Obviously I apply each one depending on what the market's doing, and I'm kind of going to do a YouTube video breaking that down that will be posted today. Will be probably recorded a little on after this live stream. Maybe do some edits, maybe do some thumbnails, and then from there it will be posted. I will use a real life example of me using one of the setups in my arsenal. For example, when we caught this US30 sell 2 days ago, 3 days ago. I don't even know where that setup is. But was it here? All I know is that I have it recorded, and I will be incorporating it into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly, I'll try to break down exactly what my approach to the market is in a little detailed video. Probably gonna be like, I don't know, 10 minutes, 7 minutes, who knows. But yeah, that will be posted up today, later on today, if not tomorrow early. My throat still hurts. I'm sick. Been sick since like last week. Damn you, DJ. Damn you. Damn. Ties to pieces.
Suitcase, I tucked the blue. Now I'm trying to make sense of what little remains. Oh, cause you left me with no love to my name. I'm still alive, but I'm barely breathing. Just praying to a God that I don't believe in. Cause I got time while she got freedom. Cause when a heart breaks, no, it don't break.
Alright, thinking of a gold sell, but was expecting the market to go up for a while. Wait, thinking of a gold sell, but expecting the market to go for a while. Honestly, bro, this is a picture perfect, like Ripple fit getting ready to form. Right, so we have a major level of resistance that has been rejected before. We came back. Rejected even heavier. We came back. Now, if we reject again, I don't expect us to even go anywhere near these levels down here. Swing traders, for those who want to try to give an FX Alex G strategy, bro, a 10 pip stop loss. A 10 pip stop loss does not look bad on gold right now. I'm going to throw this up on the board just to see how it would play out. Now, risky part about this is that we don't know how far this is going to push past this resistance level. This could easily break the resistance level and then melt all the way out. Oh shit, turn the music down. Damn, I just noticed that shit was blasted. I apologize. That's probably why fucking we had a whole bunch of people leave. So, I do believe that we're going to break past this resistance level. Now, my only doubt is how far past that resistance level we break. Like Real Right says, I mean, sells look like they're bound to happen. I mean, this wick is what has the sellers fucking thinking, hey, there's a good chance that we come all the way back down. Now, I do agree that this is an accumulation of resistance, and therefore I really do believe that this resistance will get broken. If you know, so higher probability trade has to be buy right now. Doesn't mean that sells won't randomly just happen like that. But higher probabilities are probably buys. I'm gonna leave this trade up on the board and see what ends up playing out. I'm not really taking an active trade on gold. I already got stopped out of it, but it kind of looks scary to trade for me. I don't really, like I said, I like the continuation. I'm gonna leave it right here. Like if I hopped in, I'm in automatic drawdown. Let's see how this ends up playing out. Wait for GJ to come back to break even and stop me out of my fucking trade I was up more than 1% on. Oh my god. Yeah, this is gonna come and stop and break me out. This is gonna break me out even. I'm not gonna touch it though, but it's gonna stop me out, break even probably. Those who took the buy here, you guys are in a fucking monstrous position. I'm on the wrong side of the market right now, it looks like, unless it melts right here. Give me some magic today. Gold's going down. Let's see for how long. Come on, GJ, please.
Back to wearing knockoffs high, knock it off, Neiman shop it off. Let's talk over my ties, waitress top it off. Look like vultures wanna fly in your Freddy loafers. You can't blame them, they ain't never seen Versace sofas. Every bag, every blouse, every bracelet. Come
a price tag, maybe face it. You should leave if you can't accept the basics. Plenty of tools in a ball and looking matrix. Invisibly set, the Rolex is faceless. I'm just young, rich, and tasteless. P. Never was much of a romantic. I could never take the intimacy. And I know it did damage. Cause the look in your eyes is killing me. I guess you knew an advantage. Cause you could blame me for everything.
All right, let's go look at US30. NAS, is that the, no, this is US30. US30 has a ripple fib information on the 5 minute, which is not really too significant. That's NAS actually, the NASDAQ. NASDAQ still hasn't come back into the range completely. US30's on a rocket, which thank God, under the Trump presidency, I don't want this thing to melt out, because then we got all the Librock and all that trash. All the Dems. I find it crazy how a whole bunch of people are trying to trash on what Elon Musk is doing with like the whole Dogecoin thing. Not sure if you guys saw that there's this like website that people created because people are protesting Tesla right now aggressively because the Democrats are crazy. Oh, but point is that they created this website that you could go on and you could find every, it's like a map of the United States, and you could find every Tesla. I might have stopped out. That's fucking stupid. You could find every Tesla owner's address, information, emails, numbers. You could find everything. So there's like a little map where you zoom in and it literally shows every Tesla owner's information. And like the scroller wheel of the website's like a little Molotov. And then the website has links to different websites where like anarchists go. It's like a way to like, and it kind of teaches you how to create destruction and not get caught. Like where people go and like blow up shit. And literally the website says that if you have a Tesla and your name is on here, your name should be on there if you have a Tesla and you're in America, that they will take your name off of that website if you send proof that you have gotten rid of your Tesla. You have to prove that you gotten rid of your Tesla to fucking get off that website. It's real. I ain't joking to you. You have to prove that you gotten rid of your Tesla to fucking get off that website. Tesla. I ain't joking to you. No, I'm not with that whole trailing stop loss thing. I mean, if my trade's gonna go, it's gonna go. It's not stop me out at break even. I'll figure it out after. No, I'm not with that whole trailing stop loss thing. I mean, because if I would have set a trail stop loss at that point, I would have just said I prefer closing out at 1%. I'll figure it out after. All right, let me show you this. Stop loss at that point, I would have just said I prefer closing out at 1%.
Elon Musk's ties to the Trump administration have led to an apparent act of intimidation online as Tesla through exposure.
This is how the website looks. So you could go and you zoom into like each country and then you start finding people's information. And then from there it leads to, I mean, let me see if it shows you. It shows you a different, it leads to a different website where it kind of shows you how to like blow shit up and not get caught. Or like just shows you how to do different fucking destruction acts without getting caught, like fucking having a car completely malfunction by pouring shit into the gas tank, or just shows you how to do different. I don't fucking know. It's some crazy ass website. Having a car completely malfunction by pouring shit into the gas. Ain't that crazy? I don't fucking know. It's some crazy ass website. Ain't that crazy? All right, I'm not done trading for the day, boys. I'm not done trading for the day because I haven't even taken a trade on the challenges that I'm passing right now on the current accounts that I'm currently trading. I'm currently trading a couple of people's accounts in this chat right now. Echo. I'll fix that. Currently trading a couple people's accounts in the chat right now, and I am have not taken the first trade on it due to the fact that we were distracted with the GJ. Potentially will with gold right now. I'm gonna give a quick 5-minute break, 10-minute. It's gonna be more of like a 10-minute break, chat. 10-minute break. I'm gonna stay on stream. We're gonna keep on streaming. We're 2 hours in. We're probably going to go to 3-4 hours. Echo, how's the echo still there? Come on. I'm pretty sure the echo's gone. Do I have another website open and I don't see it? Hello. Echo. Is there an echo right now? Give me feedback, chat. Is there any echo? I got stopped out officially. Gone. All right. I'm going to give my dog a quick walk. I'm going to come back when the charts are a little bit more. I mean, it's going to be a 10 minute, 15 minutes, and I'm back. I'm not going to turn off stream. 100% I will be back. I could spam the Discord for those who are in the Discord right now when I'm back. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm going to let the charts reset themselves a little bit, and then we're going to come back and try to catch the trade. So for those who are going to stick around, thank you. For those who have enjoyed the stream so far, sayonara. All right, be right back. Come on, Nico, let's go on a walk. Oh, I fucking hate DJ. Honestly, I blame myself. I'm like on the wrong side of the market. And I got myself into profit. Just couldn't identify that I was on the wrong side of the market. Mm. 10 days, 10 days, 10. Let's go. Let's go.
Just cause everybody doing what they all do. If one thing I know, I fall but I grow. I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I go home. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? Now am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? But that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see. Am I tripping for having a vision? My prediction, I'ma be on top of the world. Walk you, don't look back. Always do what you decide. Don't let them control your life. That's just how I feel. Oh, fight for yours, so don't let go. Don't let them compare you, no. Don't worry, you're not alone. That's just how we feel. Am I wrong? Am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? Oh, yeah. Oh, now am I wrong? Am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? Oh, yeah. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right. Am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? Now am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? But that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? Oh, yeah. Oh, now am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? Oh, yeah. But that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, got your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Staying in a vision, they did a great job praising you. When I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news. Can't nobody throw shade on your name in these streets. Triple threat, you a boss, you a bank, you a beast. You make it easy to choose. You got a mean touch, I can't refuse. No, I can't refuse it. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen, cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Already passed, you don't need no approval. Good everywhere, don't worry about no refusal. Second to none, you got the upper hand now. Don't need a sponsor, no, you're the brand now. You're my rock, my Colorado. Got that ring, just like Toronto. Love you now, a little more tomorrow. That's how I feel. Act like you know that you are. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen, cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
No cap, no pretending, you don't need mentions. Got them saying goals, they don't wanna be independent. Tell them to mind your business, we in our feelings. It's 50-50 percentage. Attention, we need commitment. We gotta both admit it. It's funny, we both listen. It's a blessing, cause we both get it. You the best thing, and I don't need a witness. I'ma find me a ring and pray it's perfect fitted. Perfect.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen, cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. That's all I plan to do.
Durkio told me he been on some positive shit, yeah. Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit, yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too fast. Hard times don't last. Remember when cops are rats talking out my ass? Boy, you ain't shit but a bitch with a badge.
All my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out. No, no, no. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. I decided
We back. Seen you was live. I was like, low pop in. Wait, I was like, when I'm pop in. I'm trading this morning with my group called SPXL. With my group caught XPXLs and GJ. What it do, primo? Hell yeah. You what, is it a Discord group, Telegram group? You gonna add me to the group? I'm playing. You don't gotta add me. It was more of a. All right, so this is what we finally. Oh wow, that's how the Wickfill wanted to happen. Look at that. That is ridiculous. Let me start taking these things off my chart.
nigga. Cold world, hello niggas. Made it out the city with my head on straight. Niggas keep shooting up the let out. Yo, Jordan Pill gotta get out. The shit that I
What did GJ end up doing? Oh, that's great. Hasn't done shit. Stop me out for no reason. And GU's daily candlestick still looks like it needs to melt out. I mean, potentially the only trade I could see being possible right now so far, right, if I haven't gone through much, is this GU. GU's doing kind of like what we saw on US30, kind of what we saw on NASDAQ. Like, this could be, you know, this was the range right here, right? It is a very valid range. This is where price gets attracted to. So what we could see is this be a huge liquidity grab and then go back into the range. And then from here, we have our upside down head and shoulders. Feel me? Shoulder, head, shoulder. Yeah, zoom out right there. You see it? So now, very aggressive trade that would be. That would be going against. That'd be going against the DXY momentum that we have right now. DXY looks like it's gaining strength aggressively. GU business, you like GU? Oh shit, what the fuck is this? Oh, it's GU. I mean, I don't love GU. I don't really love taking these little bounce trades. Kind of how like when GJ came down on us. It's kind of reminds me of the same setup. GJ coming down on us aggressively. I used to be the person that used to take these fucking Fibonacci buys every single day, all day. It just wasn't the most consistent for me, but look at that. We had a 0.7. I mean, we had the 764 respect perfectly. If gold breaks 3110, could catch sells all the way to 3. Another 10 pips down. I mean, I agree. I mean, this is the wick fill I was going for. I was just going for the wick fill before it fucking zapped all the way up to the top, but I was bearish on this. On this, especially beneath this support level, I was extremely bearish. That's the trade that we fucking lost. So if this actually comes down aggressively, shit, I'm gonna fucking turn off my computer because I'm gonna be pissed. So I'm hoping you lose, real right, truthfully. Just for the sake of my psychology, though. And look, as we anticipated, US30. Wait, this is NAS 100. So this is the NAS. The NAS ended up going all the way back up to the top of the range, kind of like we said it. I mean, it's kind of like how it did over here with US30. Remember earlier I was telling you guys I don't like NAS sells because this looks like it might just come to the top of the range, and it's finally here. So from here, it could go back down. I think it's going to do its side channel right now. This is like a huge upside down head and shoulders as well getting formed, right? These are all the little shoulders, head. If we stay in the range, that's just another shoulder getting ready to pop. Down channel, side channel, up channel. To the moment, we can't really aggressively hop in it though. Well, we can, but I don't think it's a smart idea. DXY. The only thing I like so far is a GU buy, and GU buy looks like a gamble. Gamble, gamble, gamble. GU buys means that this would struggle to melt also. Honestly, I don't really got much to lose on this account at this point. We're already only up 1%. I'm going to take a GU buy if I could find GU. How do you bring up the fucking... Yo, there you go. Mustard on the beat. Oh, this thing looks horrible on the fucking... Let me see. 30-minute. Let's take it. We'll risk our last 1%. Leaving the casino. Bro, we here. This is the casino, which is basically what you mean, I think. Damn, this shit's so bearish. A little zap back into the range, though. 23 lots is insane. All right, let me find a good stop loss. I don't even know what a good stop loss is. Honestly, the good stop loss would be a 1-to-1 being right here. That's a 1-to-1, so 25 pips that way. Let's go 25 pips this way. So 128, 780. 128, 780. 128, 780. 128, 780. 128, 780. I'll go 750. 10. 7 lot. No, when should I do it?
They not like us. 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 Once upon a time, all of us was in chains. Homie still double down, calling us some slaves. Atlanta was the mecca, building railroads and trains. Bear with me for a second, let me put y'all on game. The settlers was using town folk to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same agenda. You run to Atlanta when you need a check balance. Let me break it down for you. This the real nigga.
Tomorrow, the first SO.
Little baby help you get your lingo up. What 21 get your first street cred. Thug make you feel like you a slime in your head. Hey, what Quavo said you can be offside.
Tomorrow's the first, so a lot of fake out trades.
You run to Atlanta when you need a few dollars. No, you not a colleague. You
Yeah, it's the last day of the monthly candlestick, which is a little hard to anticipate where exactly it wants to move. I like this move though.
He a fan, he a fan, he a fan. He a fan, he a fan, he a freaky ass nigga. He a 69 God. Freaky ass.
Well, we're in it.
69 God. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Freaky ass nigga. He a 69
It's a blessing that we both did it.
Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Say OV ho. Say OV ho.
My throat hurts. Fuck. What are you supposed to do when like a little corner of your throat hurts? Like it's not like a... It's like a little corner. Like if there's like a little piece of something stuck there, but there's not. I've been sick for like 2-3 days. But like when I swallow, just a little corner like irritates a little bit. Feels like there's something there, like a ball. So for whoever got the remedies, the correct, you know, what I'm supposed to do, help me out. I'm in pain. Can't even hit my pen correctly. Honey? But I have, man, I'm a honey fan. Sounds weird, but I have like 5 different types of honey. Every honey I buy is always costs like 25 bucks. I could bring all the honeys. You want me to show you guys the honey that I got? Hurts my throat to smoke. I got hella honey. I even have like a $40 bottle of honey. There's just different honeys that have different... I don't know what they got, truthfully. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna have honey with a warm tea. That's what my question was. Like, what, you want me to fucking just put a spoonful of honey in my mouth? Cinnamon challenge that shit? Royal honey? Nah, bro. Wanna know what honey we need? What's that honey? There's a honey that gets you high. There is a honey that literally gets you... Oh, I got called by the wife. That's not good when you don't answer the phone call from the wife. There's... Somebody Google it for me. Google it for me. There is a honey that you eat and it gets you high. And if you eat too much of it, you literally start hallucinating. Oh, okay. All right. I call her. She said she'll call me back. What's the honey? Rare honey that gets you high. Mad honey. There you go. Literally called mad honey. You could only get it, like, where was it again? Where do you get mad honey? It's like literally in like one of the hardest places in the world to reach. Nepal. You have to go to Nepal. To go, you need... I could buy this thing? They have Himalayan giant honeybees and the Alps, and they have to go to the highest point of the fucking mountain and climb the fucking craziest trees to extract the honey from these fucking bees, and it gets you high. It literally gets you high. I saw a video of a guy who cooked with it, and nobody noticed anything. They just were like, oh, it's honey. And little by little, they all were high as balls, and they didn't even fucking. And then later on, they noticed that they were high, and they're like, "Oh shit!" Gold is tanking. That's pretty annoying. They high when they doing it. LOL. It's no problem for them. Exactly. There's only certain people that could go up and get them fucking things. Mad honey. You guys you should go on YouTube and put Mad Honey review and see like what you guys find. Damn, that's it? You gonna give me a fucking, what do you mean? Fuck the audience. What are the warnings for Mad Honey is domestic abuse, attempted suicide, bullying, depression, youth sexuality. What the fuck is this? This sounds like some fucking Kamala Harris, Joe Biden bullshit. I'm done with that. They need to call it Nectar del Amor. Anybody know what Nectar del Amor is? Any Dominicans in here that know what Nectar del Amor is? Fuck, I might draw down. Sounds like Nectar of the Devil. It's called Nectar of Love. In Spanish, it's Nectar de el Amor. Del Amor, whatever. So Nectar of Love. Do you know what? The Dominicans use it. It's highly used in Dominican. Maybe in Haiti and Puerto Rico as well. It's basically a nectar. So maybe like a honey. It's like a juice, I guess. I don't fucking know exactly what it is. I know my boys know it and everybody else knows it. And it's basically a, let's say Mad Honey gets you high. This honey gets you goddamn Diddy style bricked up. Diddy style bricked up. It's like a fucking Viagra times 10. You know? It's like Blue Chew fucking... I'm never going back to Puerto Rico. It's a floating island of trash. Ah, you see what I did there? It was a joke. Relax. Damn, I'm gonna be so upset if this thing actually melts out and Wix fills this. You guys already know that we were going for the wick fill of this whole wick right here, but we got stopped out in the process somehow, some way. Now we in drawdown. GJ going back. Let me erase everything from GJ. GJ looks horrible right here. All right, 30 minutes. I mean, truthfully, I'm expecting GG to break this resistance level. Hopefully it doesn't break it by... I'm hoping everything consolidates right now and we get a chance to catch everything during Asian session. London session. Oh my god. Bro, who the hell was copying the emotes when I was walking my dog? I would send like heart, heart, party emoji. And then I don't know where I'd see somebody go heart, heart, party emoji. And then I'd go party, party, heart emoji. And then they'd go party, party, heart emoji. And then I'd go smiley face, smiley face, smiley face, smiley face. And they'd go smiley face, smiley face, smiley. There was somebody literally copying they were literally playing a game with me. Damn, I closed my GJ trade for... This is why I don't like putting stops to break even. Like, this is exactly why I'm not a fan of trail stops, stops to break even, all that bullshit. The more you touch the trade, the more you're affecting the probabilities of the setup. It's like fucking cashing out a bet early.
She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip and messy.
I am now. I've told you guys the rule. I've told you guys the rule and I've broken the rule before, and I told you guys if you guys ever see me breaking the rule ever again, to fucking let me know. And nobody let me know that I was breaking the rule by closing at break even. Wanna know why? Because people like closing at break even. We have somebody in the industry taught that closing at break even makes fucking sense when it absolutely doesn't, in my opinion. If I set a setup, right? Imagine I throw a fucking short position from wherever the fuck I was, right? Short over here. This has a probability of hitting. And if you close out the trade, that probability is out the door. It's gone. You fucked with the probability. You made the probability an automatic loss. I mean, I closed that break even because we accumulated a level of resistance. It does look bullish, but I should have double tracked and been like, honestly, every time something looks bullish here, it's melting. Every then it looks bearish, and then it's flying, and then it's just like it's fucking with us. This looks like a great sell. But then again, if it looks like a great sell, it might be a buy. Oh, this does look like a good sell. This is basically what we were taking last time on this candlestick. We were taking this exact sell where we are right now, but we were taking it on this candlestick that went bullish as balls on us. Oh my god, today's not my day. Today is not my day. And I thought today was my day. Like, I came in here fucking guns blazing.
And that's the tale of the toxic pig. Wow, bro.
Hopefully this flies to begin with. Make sure that you don't need no mention. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
Damn, I ain't been going psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on. You, my roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Homo for clowns and all the
It's a blessing that we both did. Holy shit, look at Dogecoin. Look, what's up with Bitcoin right now? Yeah, these are my only intentions.
Had so many bottles, gave ugly girl a sip. Out the window of the Benz, so we get sitting in the rent. And I'm like, whoa, man, my legs so goddamn cold. Diamonds when my teeth are sore. I can always let it go. My money, they will never fall. She said, "Kid, I have some to hold, and I can never tell you no."
Can really trust nobody. All is truly on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the boatload. Going psycho. Mama going Michael. Can it really Second quarter starts as well as tomorrow. Oh shit. Dude, this week's NFP is gonna be wild. Be a bitch out. Old school Chevy, it's a drop top. Coolin' with a thought. She gon' give me top. Make that ass drop. Smoke it to the smoke shop. We gon' get hypo. We gon' hit Rodeo. Call it Valentino. Saint Laurent jeans still in my Vans though. I'm not gonna lie, TY $ goes hard as fuck in that whole verse. Saint Laurent jeans still in my Vans though. All VVS's in your necklace. Stomach hurts. Coolin' with a dot. She gon' give me top. You're gonna get a talking parrot from Mexico. That's kind of scary. I wouldn't want a fucking parrot fucking eavesdropping on my conversations inside my house and then repeating them to random people.
I am a smart guy. I am a good guy. And I really got a good heart.
Like, what if I'm goddamn talking dirty to my wife and then the parrot starts repeating what the fuck we just said? Tragic. Polly want a cracker. Polly want a cracker. Put it in the hole. Put it in the hole. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit.
I'ma call a baby just to make sure that he know that I make mistakes, yeah I know, so I'ma own that. The streets have made me, but I promise I won't go back. Just make me crazy, man, I promise I won't go back. I ain't miss a lot, but I miss my kids the most. Now they get what they want, I'ma give the most. So ashamed of my past and what I done before. I'm a better man, not damage, I'm a judge score. Prosecutors steady making allegations. Bigger than rap, I don't know their motivation. Still paranoid, they gon' make me break probation. But for my family, I'm staying dedicated. Let's go. Let's hit designer stores. I'm so tired of jail clothes. Kobe, what's mine is yours. Not surprised you stay for sure. I need some shiny gold stuck behind some silver poles. It felt like time was slow. I needed AP ice and froze. Man, I'm so happy that I made it out. Dark days I was praying they would take me out. Man, I'm so happy.
All right, it's pushing. That's a good sign. Come on. London session, pick up. We got a new hourly candlestick that opened up 8 minutes ago. This hourly candlestick has ways to go because every other candlestick before it had a whole bunch of momentum. So boys, let's fucking get ready for this thing to rip. You're either in it or you're either out of it watching on the sidelines. That's how it be in life, you know? You're either in the theater or you're in the seats watching. Oh wait, you're either on the stage or you're either on the seats watching. But at the end of the day, it's one theater. And the show must go on. That's a good song. There you go. That's a good song. Show goes on all night. This is like when music was like fucking like, you know, that new song would come on the radio and you're like, bro, I want to hear that fucking song that's on the radio. And so you'd have to turn on MTV and wait for the fucking music videos to come through. And you were just hoping that the song would come on that you liked. And then it would finally come on and it'd be over in fucking 2 minutes. And then that was it. You ain't hearing that song again. Actually, I think this was a little bit after that, but those days were also fire. A lot of you youngins don't know about that. A lot of people like fucking, we got, actually I'm not going to call out people's names because maybe they don't want them to know they're young. Xander. We got Xander. Wait, actually I think Xander's my age. Or like 2 years younger than me. I go crazy, crazy, stupid, stupid. A song about medals. Bro, the fuck you talking about, bro? I don't know if you guys know, but Florida's in the. I mean, does anybody watch college basketball? I don't watch college basketball, so. But if somebody does watch college basketball, they know who the damn hell well's in the fucking finals. My city finna go lit. Lit! This does not look like a good sign right now. Gold Wickfill might play out. Oh, most indeed it will play out. I was trying to play the Wickfill out with the next candlestick, which was this one. Pretty annoyed that it went all the way to resistance to just come back to support, and now it's going to play out. I mean, I'm not going to take it because if it doesn't play out, there'll be a double whammy. That's pretty ridiculous.
The the only thing we know how to do. Said it's the only thing we know how to do. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard, keep partying like it's your job. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard, keep partying like it's your job.
For women's and men's. So for men's, I think Duke's gonna win. Cooper's an amazing player, and he's honestly he's been killing it in March Madness, but also all the games before that. And I would. Been a huge Duke basketball fan, so I'm really hoping they could win. And then for women's, I think Duke's gonna win because they also all their games.
Oh boy. Alright, so we finally are getting somewhat of a retracement. I see bearish momentum dying out. It's not completely died out, but it is dying out. Gold not doing the wick fill completely yet. It still has, I mean, this hourly candlestick is 14 minutes into it. If you were to ask me if this hourly candlestick gonna come back up to the top, or is it gonna come back to the bottom, I'd say it's gonna come back to the bottom, maybe range around for a little bit, but I feel like it would come back to the bottom before it comes back up to the top. When it comes down to GU, I'm currently in longs. I am looking for kind of what happened across the board with NASDAQ and US30, where we had liquidity grabs. We had ranges that had liquidity grabs, and then we zapped up to the back of the range. That was US30. Look at NASDAQ. Range, liquidity grab, back into the top of the... What the hell? Alright, and then, so yeah, I'm trying to do the same thing on GU. GU, range, bottom of the range. I'm expecting this to be a liquidity grab and then just come back into the range and maybe reach the top of the range also, right? We do have a GJ that is looking pretty bullish right now, so it's, you know, it's matching colors. Well, it's not looking bullish, but dude, I would still be in my fucking trade. I'm gonna start calling it from right here. We have done a 3-hour stream. I'm gonna tune in for like 30 minutes or maybe an hour max for Asian session to prepare ourselves for what are the future moves that we are gonna get. Boys, James, Anton, Lio, Real Right. I already said Anton, Caesar. I already said Lio, Xander, James, Primo, Slickest. Thank you guys for tuning into the stream. I'm still going to be actively trading right now, but I'm going to go fucking chill out a little bit before I get myself into something crazier. It's not been the nicest trading day. I mean, volatility has been nice and moves have been nice. I just kind of been on the wrong side of the market. And then when I am on the right side of the market, it just doesn't last long. So I'm calling it here, boys. Much love to you guys.